What's up guys, KG Trading here. Today's video is going to be a day trading recap video. Couldn't go live. I was very busy today and I'm making the video, as you could see, at 4 o'clock right after the closing bell. So the video is going to be out at 5. If you're watching this now at 5, thanks. That means you're subscribed with notification bell on, so good for you. But anyways, let's get into the trades. Alright, so let's go right to the monitor tab here. I'm up $1.77, which on this account is like half, like 0.6% on the entire account. I use like roughly half of my account every day to trade, so not too bad, I would say. It's still like like that's a tiny amount, I understand, but at least both trades were all green, or however many trades I took. You could see all my orders here. Um, Basically scalping is really cheap stock pre-market. I did finish at 906 my last trade here. And I was day trading RKDA. Right? Yes. You can see majority of the move here was pre-market, and I found a great breakout here. Got in right below the breakout, just in case it did go without me, because joining the bid wasn't really working too good pre-market. But I did get filled a little low, and as you can see, that was basically the last move they had all day long. So I'm good thing I didn't wait till 9:30, because I would have to leave at 10:30. So tried to get done earlier in the morning. But let's stretch this up. So I only traded RKDA today. They are like, what the hell? They're a really cheap stock. Okay, there we go. Trying to fit all this for you. Maybe do this. Alright, that might be good. Alright, so let me give you some actually, I need to give you context. So, alright, let me just zoom out. As you know, these are not scripted, so, you know, whatever I'm doing is what's going to be in the video. So, here is RKDA. They had a ton of, don't know why this is so weird right now. I'm trying to get this so you guys can see good. Okay, there we go. So they had a resistance level here at $3.33, and then the next one up from that was at $3.40, and then as you can see up at $3.48, $3.50. So I knew if they can get over $3.33, that there was probably going to be a breakout. Let me zoom in now and click the right thing. I'm gonna do this. So you could see they had that breakout at $3.33. They had a previous resistance here. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was just running around to get my little sister, so I just came back. Anyway, resistance here. They hit the 333 level. I'll scroll back. You can see here they hit it twice. So they hit it 3 times. They came back down, hit it again, and I added into this drop. In this candle, I added 5 shares. I didn't mean for 5, I meant for 15. It was just happening so fast. I wanted to get on this stock, and I had it 5 shares from the other stock I was going to get in. So I just quickly hit join the bid. I got in here at 332, hoping it would break. It pulled back down to 330, and this candle went all the way down to 28. But then I bought back in here at 330 with another 15 shares. So my average was right around, right around like 331-ish. Maybe a little lower than that, like 330 and a half. And then I got that break. As you can see, volume started to pick up. Let me try to move this volume around so you can see that better. Volume started to pick up here in this break. So that was good. So I started to hold my position. I started to scale out here at 36 with a couple different orders. If I click here, you can see them all. I sold 3 at 35, 3 at 36, and 5 at 38. So I was just selling into this as it kept going up and up here. And then I held, so if I had 15, I sold 11. Right, yeah, so 10. No, I had 20, I sold 11, so I had 9 more. I sold 3 up here at 340. So that means I only had 6 left. I can't do math right now. My brain's fried. So I had like 6 left, and I sold the rest here at 338. and then I bought another 7. So that was the end of that trade. And then they came back down. I was going to dip off this previous candle. I bought in 7 here at 338 because it started to come back up, and I scaled out of that position all the way up here at 343.5 and 343. That's the trade today. Great trend. Good thing I got in this trade quick, or else I would have missed it. Wish I could do this right. I don't know why lately, if you guys know, the past week or two, all the stocks have been doing all their moves as soon as market opens. This week and a little bit of like Friday, all the stocks have been doing, or what they have all been doing, is only dropping as soon as the market opens. All the moves have been pre-market for some reason. I mean, just look at how this stock was up like 100% at one point, I believe, and now it closed at 18%. I mean, look at that move, and all it did is just come down really sharp and just kind of consolidate in a downtrend. That's what all these stocks have been doing for last week, I would say. If I go to TAOP, the other leading gapper, you can see they did the exact same thing. Everything was pre-market. All it did is fall all day long. And they actually closed red on the day. I mean, this stock was up. This stock was up 50% to the high from yesterday's close. And they opened about 31% up. And at the end of this, they actually closed 6.5% in the red. I don't know why these stocks are doing this lately. So I've been trying to trade pre-market until I actually see the follow through coming in the market open. Because you always got to adjust to what the market gives you. Because your setup might not work for a whole month, and then it finally will when the stocks come back to your setup. So I gotta start to go pre-market here, looking for this. This was the other trade I was talking about. I wanted to take this trade, but I just missed it, and I was gonna do 5 shares. I missed it. I didn't think it was gonna go anymore, and as you could see, came right back down to the support level, and I didn't like it anymore. So I went over to the cheap stock, RKDA, and then I saw them, RKDA, setting up for this nice breakout. So I took that trade real quick, got him with 5 because I had 5 for the other stock. Joined the bid to get in before it broke without me. Added more as it dipped because I was still bullish on this stock. And trade went pretty well. I kept scaling out, adding in, scaling out like a real day trader, and made $1.77. So not a bad day. Wish I could have made more, but what can I say? Only using about what? I think I only had $100 to use today. So that's 1.7% on the money I used. I mean, you can't get any better than that. I mean, you can't get that anywhere in the bank in a day. Not even a day. In 15 minutes, 1.7% of my money I used. A good bank might give you 0.5% on your money a year. So basically, that's like 4 years for you to get that. 3 years to get that. I did it in 15 minutes. But if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like. Consider subscribing. I'm currently at 72 subscribers. I've been getting insane growth lately, so thank you to all my subscribers. My goal is to hit 100 by the end of this month. And if you would like to help me get there, make sure to subscribe. And with that, see you in this video.